iPhones have become an essential part of our daily lives, storing our important contacts, messages, photos, and documents. Losing data from your iPhone can be a devastating experience, and that's why it's essential to back up your device regularly. In this video, we will discuss how to back up an iPhone and the different methods available to do so. There are several methods you can use to back up your iPhone. The most popular ones include iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup is a feature offered by Apple's iCloud service that allows you to back up the data on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch wirelessly. With iCloud Backup, your data is automatically and securely stored in the cloud, so you can easily restore it to your device if you ever lose or replace it. When you enable iCloud Backup, your device will automatically back up your data when it is connected to a Wi-Fi network, locked and charging. The backup includes your device settings, app data, messages, photos, and other important information. You can choose which apps and data you want to back up by going to Settings, iCloud Manage Storage Backups this iPhone, and then turning on or off the toggle switches for the apps and data you want to include in your backup. iCloud Backup provides several benefits over traditional backup methods, such as iTunes Backup. For one, it's completely wireless and automatic, so you don't need to connect your device to a computer to perform a backup. Additionally, your data is stored securely in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing it if your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Finally, iCloud Backup is integrated with many of Apple's other services such as Find My and iCloud Drive, making it easier to manage your data across your services. There are some limitations to iCloud Backup, however. The amount of storage available on your iCloud account determines how much data you can back up and only provides 5 gigabytes of free iCloud storage, which may not be enough for some users. Additionally, you need a stable Wi-Fi connection to perform a backup, which may not be available in all situations. Finally, restoring from an iCloud backup can take some time, especially if you have a large amount of data to restore. iTunes Backup. iTunes Backup is a feature offered by Apple's iTunes software that allows you to back up the data on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to your computer. With iTunes Backup, your data is stored locally on your computer, which means you can easily restore it to your device if you ever lose or replace it. To perform an iTunes Backup, you need to connect your device to your computer using a USB cable and open the latest version of iTunes. Once your device is connected, you can select it in iTunes. Go to the Summary tab and click the Backup Now button to initiate a backup. iTunes Backup provides several benefits over other backup methods, such as iCloud Backup. For one, it allows you to back up your data to your own computer, which may be more convenient or desirable for some users. Additionally, it provides a complete backup of your device, including all of your app data, settings, messages, photos, and other important information. Finally, it's fast and reliable, and you can easily encrypt your backup to protect your data with a password. There are some limitations to iTunes Backup. However, for one, you need to have a computer with the latest version of iTunes installed to perform a backup, which may not be available in all situations. Additionally, you need to have enough storage available on your computer to store your backup, which may be a concern for users with limited storage space. Finally, restoring from an iTunes backup can take some time, especially if you have a large amount of data or restore. Overall, iTunes Backup is a reliable and convenient way to back up your iPhone data, and it's recommended that you perform regular backups to ensure that your data is always protected. However, it's important to remember that iTunes Backup is only one part of a complete backup strategy, and it's a good idea to also use other backup methods such as iCloud Backup to ensure that your data is always safe and secure. Third-party backup software. There are several third-party backup software available that you can use to back up your iPhone. These software can offer additional features and flexibility that iCloud, iTunes, and Find Your Backups may not provide. Some of the popular third-party backup software for iPhone include iMazing. iMazing allows you to back up your iPhone wirelessly, and it offers a variety of features such as selective backup and transfer of data between devices. AnyTrans. AnyTrans allows you to back up your iPhone to your computer or an external hard drive, and it also offers a variety of features such as automatic backups and selective restore. Backing up your iPhone is crucial to protect your data from accidental deletion, loss, or corruption. In this article, we discuss different methods to back up your iPhone, including iCloud, iTunes, Finder, and third-party backup software. We recommend that you back up your iPhone regularly and use a combination of methods to ensure that your data is always protected. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.